Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable weekly report screen time notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Now in the settings screen, go down and tap on digital well-being and parental controls. And in here you want to tap on the weekly report icon right next to the search button, and in here it will show you the weekly report of your screen time usage. Now tap on the option key and tap on receive notifications, and that will allow you to receive notifications once the report is ready. You will get a notification each week when your report is ready. Now if you want to turn it off, you tap on the option key, then tap on the block notifications, and that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.